Bonnie. I am back. I am feeling slightly better today. I just have a cough. Not a good thing for a YouTuber to have a cough. But, oh my gosh, you guys, check out what came today. My Glossybox advent calendar, which I was not expecting, because I swear I just paid for this like 3 days ago. So, I got this last year. This thing is absolutely enormous. I actually just love the box. I actually created an advent calendar gift box for my daughter using the boxes last year after I took everything out. It was really cool. So you can reuse the box. So the box is $99, or if you're a Glossybox customer where you get the subscription, it is $89. And they did a pretty good job. I'm not even going to peek in here though. Where they put the products a little bit better into a book. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I got in each one of these cool little boxes. This is actually really fun. So, oh, it's weird because there's 2 layers for box number 1 and 25. Let me show you guys this. So I took out box number 1, and box number 25 is actually underneath box number 1. So kind of cool. Okay, so box number 1 is, there's supposed to be $500 worth of stuff in here, and I know last year a lot of people were a little bit, they weren't overly thrilled, but this, I'm actually already loving this box because we got a Caviar, this is Bond Repair Leave-In Overnight Serum for hair. I love the Caviar products, so I wonder if they have the prices in the little book. I'm just going to look really quick. Yes, so they do have the prices. So, to bear with me coughing. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so horrible to have a cold and try and do a YouTube video. $40 value right there. So this almost paid for my box. I'm super happy about that. So already this year has completely done a lot better than last year, so that's exciting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my boxes back in the slots, because if you take all the boxes out, then you're like, I have no idea where they go. Okay, box number 2. This would be such a cool gift for someone, too, to actually open, like, every day at Christmas. Oh, this is a makeup product, you guys. This is from LOV. It's a blurring blush. It is an $11 value on this. Let me just pull this out. It looks like a baked product, actually. Let me see. I don't think I've heard of this brand, though. Oh, that's pretty. Check that out. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's actually really pretty. Ooh. Okay, so we got that. That's an $11 value. So then what I'm doing is I'm sticking box number 2 back in the little slot here. Okay, box number 3 is, let's see here, they all come with this black paper. I'm actually going to save that paper. I'll probably put it in a big bin in case I need it. This is actually a flower bomb. I have seen these before. Oh, it's perfume. Okay, I thought this was, I wasn't sure what this was. Check it out. This is perfume. This is a $55 value. It is Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. I don't know if I can... Oh, that smells good. That's actually a nice... This isn't super florally or anything, so that's pretty cool. So we got this little perfume. Okay, that was box number 3. This is actually so much fun. This has made my day. Even though I have a cold, I'm like, holy moly, this is like so much fun. Box number 4. Box number 4 is the Avant Hyaluronic Mask. It's an Avocado Pro Intense Hyaluronic Illuminating Day Cream. Oh, it's a day cream. This is a $119 value. Holy cow. That's pretty good. Okay, so we got this like really expensive like day cream product. This box is way better than last year, you guys. Oh my gosh. I think Glossybox listened because a lot of people last year were just not thrilled with the advent calendar. I mean, I definitely feel like I've actually got my money's worth now. Number 5, check this out. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Depre Shampoo Treatment, $28 value. It's hard to see with the light. Oh, I like all these hair products. This is really cool. Okay, so we got that. I'm only in box number 5, and I feel like I got my money's worth already, which is awesome. Okay, box number 6. Box number 6. Box number 6 is, oh, this is Deuce. Glossybox does a lot of Deuce. I actually like Deuce. It's actually something that goes, this is an eyeshadow that goes into their, it's funny because box number 6 does not match what is in the book, which I think is really funny. I'm supposed to be getting a graphic eyeliner, but I got an eyeshadow instead. These are those magnetic ones that go in the case, but I'm kind of thrilled about that because I don't need another eyeliner. Okay, so we set that over there. Okay, box number, am I only on 7? Holy cow, I'm only on 7. Let's see here. This is heavy. Box number 7 is heavy. Ooh, what is this? This is Orb the Lacquer High Shine Nail Polish. Oh my gosh, look at the box this comes in now. Coco. Ooh, this looks like a really high-end, oh my gosh, you guys. Holy moly, check this out. I think that's the prettiest bottle of nail polish I've ever owned. This is a $32 value. Holy moly. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous, look at that. This looks like something out of Harry Potter. I'm actually really liking this. This is a really, really expensive high-end nail polish. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, that's a favorite on the list. This is pretty cool. Okay, that was number... Am I seriously only on number 7? Wow. Okay, number 7. Okay, number 8. My biggest fear is I'm going to lose my voice. I can't lose my voice. That would be... Okay, we got more poofy stuff. Put that in my little bag. What is this? This is from Fur. It's a rose gold... Oh, a lash curler. That's kind of cool. We got a lash curler there. There's an awesome, like, selection of stuff, you guys. Okay, so the lash curler has an $18 value. I still got, like, 2 pages of stuff to go. Where's number 8? Okay, that was number 8. Okay. I'm going to put number 8 back in the box. Number 9. This is really worth it, you guys. I am, like I said, pretty beyond impressed at this point at what we got. Oh, I know what this is. I just happened to glance down. I love Christopher Robin. Oh my gosh, you guys. Christopher Robin. This is the scrub. It's a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt for your scalp. This stuff is really nice, you guys. I've used this before. This is a $53 value. This just makes your hair, like, it's funny because Lush has something similar to this called Big. It's like a sea salt scrub, and I don't know what it does, but it just makes your hair just, like, absolutely beautiful. Okay, number 10. Okay, there's number 10. I can't believe we're only on number 10. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a lip product. This is the Steve Laurent. What did we get here? Come on. This is like a lip. Oh, you know what? It's funny because they've got a. It's funny because number 10, it says in here, it's the Nudex. The nude stick. Oh my gosh, my addled brain. It's the nude stick. It says, that's what it says I'm supposed to be getting. But I actually got a Steve Laurent lippy, which is fine. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I said that. That was really funny. I need to get over this. Okay. Okay, that was number 10. Number 11. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Number 11. It's gonna be a long video. That's okay though. I like hanging out. Okay, number 11 is, okay, this makes sense. Number 11 is the WinkyLux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. That's always a good thing. I had to take a minute to, like, blow my nose. You know, oh, this is awesome. Ultra Repair Cream. This is First Aid. This is a high intense hydration honeysuckle, $32 value. This is actually really good. I love First Aid products. I feel like my lighting is really crazy today for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's because this is literally, you guys, the first day that I felt like really, really fallish. I think I said that earlier in the week. But it's like 50 degrees out and it's pouring. I mean, it is like really nasty outside. You don't want to leave the house today. I want to leave the house today. I want to go shopping, but I'm like, not going to happen with my cold. Number 13. Okay, what is number 13? Is there something in here? Yes. Okay. Oh, this is a little Black Magic Mascara. That's kind of cool. This is a $26 value. I don't know about that. That looks like a sample size. I'm not sure about that one. That's a little questionable, but that's okay. I like it. Number 14. Okay, I can't get 14 out. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. I love this whole box. I don't know. Like I said, the whole thing just thrills me. Oh, this is nice. This is a cream eyeshadow. Check it out, you guys. Oh, that's really pretty too. This is a cream eyeshadow, $14 value from 3INA. Never heard of that brand. That's okay though. There we are. That was 14. Got 10 more boxes, you guys. Number 15 is. This is Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Oh, this is actually Dr. Botanicals. I'm not sure if I ever heard of that. This is a $22 value, but always good to get a mask. So that was number 15. Number 16. Number 16. Oh, we got some of the, those are cute. There's a little star on here. Those little hair tie thingies. Those are always fun. There's, like I said, a really, like, good selection in here of, like, makeup and hair and everything. Box number 17. 17. I want the advent calendar, the Harry Potter Lego advent calendar too. Oh my gosh, that thing is so cute. What is this? This is a matte Made in Heaven liquid lipstick. This is from Absolute New York, $6.99 value. 17. Oh, here's 18. 18 is something yellow. APTO. Is that Aptos? This is a healing mask. Oh, turmeric. I love anything with turmeric in it. That's pretty cool. That is a, what is that? That's a $16 value. What was that? That was number 18, I think. 18. Ooh, 19's a big box. I wonder what's in 19. Check it out. Oh, it's, oh my gosh, I love these. This is the, a blending sponge. What is this? This is a $16 value. Really nice blend. I love blending sponges. Those are cool. Like I said, it's a nice mix of everything. So if you didn't want like all skincare or like all of one product, box 20. It's hard to get these little boxes out of the side. Okay, box number 20 is, oh, another nail polish. Oh, it's Morgan Taylor, you guys. Look at this. $9.50 value. This is called Copper Dream. Oh my gosh, my nails need, oh, I look so embarrassed. My nails look so terrible. This is going on my fingers for my next video. This is gorgeous. Perfect fall holiday color. I needed a good holiday color. I just removed my nail polish yesterday and I gave my nails a break and I'm like, they look terrible. 21. Oh, we got two masks. Check it out. This is actually, oh, these are Energizing eye gels. Okay, that's pretty cool. $15 value. So we got the eye gels. 21. 22. I'm almost done. This is the Armani Code perfume. This is a $180 value. I hope they didn't include that in the 500 though. I don't think they did. I don't know. That just seems, I mean, That's insane. I mean, come on, you guys. Would you pay $180 for a perfume? That's perfume just amazes me. I know you're paying for like the brand and stuff. I don't even know how you get this out. No, the top comes off. Okay, this better be good, you guys. I mean, it smells good. Actually, it kind of smells like Into the Night for Bath and Body Works. It's got like that deep jasmine kind of smell. It's nice, but $180 nice? $180? I don't think so. Perfume is crazy. Oh my gosh. Like I said, this is supposed to be a $500 box, and like that's 200 of it. I don't know about that. That's a little crazy. Okay, still a good box though. I'm actually thrilled with this. Okay, 22, 23. This is Context. This is a microderm regenerator. Everything's white. It's all like refracting. This is $35 value. This is a really good box this year though. Like I said, there's a lot more stuff I will use. Where's number 24? 25 was under, oh, here it is. Okay. I have 24 here. 22. Oh, this is the, you know what? They reversed. Remember I said I got the Steve Laurent? They actually reversed two of my boxes. So, this is actually the Nude Stick, which is okay, the Steve Laurent was a $22 value. The Nude Stick was a $26 value. Somehow boxes 24 and 10 got reversed in my box, but that's okay. Oh my god, that's really funny. Okay, so are you guys ready? I don't know here. This is the big number 25. I mean, if I want to turn the page. Okay, so we got the last box. What do you think it is, you guys? Oh, it's a palette. Oh, it's a Ciate London. This is nice. Okay, so it's a nice little holiday palette going on here. Oh, it is pretty. Look at those. That is really gorgeous. Okay, look at that. That's really pretty. I'm going to swatch this center one. That's gorgeous. Check it out. That's a really nice holiday color. So, okay, what is the value on this one? I'm going to stick my boxes back in here. Like I said, I will reuse this advent calendar. Why is there, are there two things in here? Oh my gosh, there's a couple. Oh, you know what? We also got a brush. Okay. We got a brush too. Oh my gosh. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so let me put these back in here. So that's 25 and this is one. So the Ciate London is a $37 value for the entire set. Once again, like I said, I love the box. The box is like almost my favorite part of this. But I like the book this year, too. The book is awesome. You get, like, an explanation on every product. There's a full-color photo. I think this would make an amazing gift for someone. If you're doing a gift exchange in the $100 range, to get, like, $500 worth of stuff for $100, I think is amazing. I love that we got 2 nail polishes. I love that we got some full-size products here. The repair cream, the hair product. I mean, we definitely got, I think this was worth $89 to me. I mean, definitely, I don't have any complaints on this. So, I don't know, let me know what you think if you got the advent calendar. Every year I get this, it's just a fun thing for me to do. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will be back. I don't know if FC Ultimate's coming, but I got a couple of things that I'm going to do today. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.